Good morning, everybody. I just want to explain to you the importance of this upcoming memorial. We're conducting this event today to share with you what the future of the memorial will be. And I ask that all the Lao, Hmong, Lu, Mien, Khmer, Thai Dam, Laotian people support the memorial. It's going to be built, as you can see, by the American. It's going to be the national memorial to represent all, not keep that. Let me explain the logos on the top. It is very important for all of you, the old, the young, men, women who are here, who witness the symbols, 3 symbols on the T-28 aircraft. Number 1, the U.S. flag was painted in a gray, dark color. Why? It symbolizes the United States Civil War in Laos. Number 2, the SGU logo. The SGU logos represent the United States secret soldiers. SGU means Special Guerrilla Units. It's for that Civil War. The United States Secret Army in Laos were the SGUs like this. Lao, Hmong, Mien, Khmer, all who were involved in that war. So keep that in mind. And this is only military region 2 under our beloved General Vang Pao. The other SGU regions were not presented here because they have their own military regions and they will do that later if they wish to. But this is particular just for the SGUs in military region 2 under General Vang Pao. As you can see, it's a number there. That's number 2. Park Song, military region 2. Now, it comes down to the flag of the Royal Lao, the Kingdom of Laos. 3 elephant heads on the T-28 airplane. It means that during the war, the Secret War, I'm glad the speaker earlier mentioned, our colonel here, did say about President Eisenhower, President Kennedy. The war in Laos involved the United States, the U.S. secret soldiers, the most loyal allies of the United States were the SGUs, and then the flag representing the country of Laos, the 3 elephant heads. That's all. Why we put the 3 symbols of the historic, I would say, our history. Now, a lot of people here ask again, and my chairman here knows, that we need to explain. We have this SGU flag representing the SGU, this one, the United States Secret Army. Back here, we have here representing the 18 Hmong clan in America. We have 18 stars. Our logo is also showing the 18 stars in the brochure, as you can see. So the Hmong, especially the Hmong, 18 clans have 18 drops of blood in that war. We are all part of it. That's why we have the 18 stars here representing all the Hmong. I want to thank the Lu group who are here today. The leaders are Sang Kam and Kam Pao. Would you please stand up? You're representing the Lu community, Westminster. Thank you. Now the Lao, let me make sure that you understand that we include everybody. We have been doing this for the last 40, 50 years, 100 years. The Lao group is, was, and will be represented by Mr. Somai Sitisai. We all know him. Mr. Somai Sitisai cannot be with us today because he had to leave early yesterday to go to Kansas, and he wants me to convey his message to you all that he will be with us next time. Now next, let me introduce my three main Hmong speakers, guest speakers. Number one, Mr. Chue Vang. Would you please stand up? Mr. Chue Vang is General Vang Pao's son. Okay. He represents the General's family, and he comes in as a private citizen, United States citizens. Number two, the colonel was introduced. He gave the his remarks already. So our very special guest speaker, very special for two things. She represents the refugees, the Asians, all Asians from the state of Minnesota, and she is a brilliant lady. Chee Ho. Chee Ho is the executive director of the Councils of Asian Pacific Minnesotans in Minnesota. Welcome. Now I have to ask my guest speakers to come to the podium. Mr. Chue Vang. You wonder who he is, why is he here? I do too, but now I know. Chue Vang was born in Siêng Khoang province, the province that was the home for the SGUs under General Vang Pao's command, the most bombed province in the country, Laos. He is the son of the late General Vang Pao. When General Vang Pao passed away in 2011, Chue Vang was hand-selected by the General's top family advisors and mother's song, his mother, herself, to carry on the legacy of his fathers, meaning to carry on the legacy of General Vang Pao. And this is the man that will carry on General Vang Pao's legacy. Okay? Thank you. Currently, he is the president of the Hmong Development Foundation. Welcome. Thank you.
I'd like to say a few words in Hmong. Nhớ rong trò tan ra cú cho tú cho làm là cao cho cú ta hàn cho lên tụ cho nhiều chế cho quan điểm nhiều cho lên tụ nó nói tụ nó nè. Good morning, the Honorable Congressman Paul Miller, the Honorable Mayor Anita Sis, Chairman John Horan, and to all our American friends that be here today. First and foremost, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the National Lao-Hmong Memorial Committee and the Lao-Hmong community of Colorado for inviting me and my wife. Mary, can you stand up, please? To be a part of this historical inaugural event, it is truly an honor. As I stand here, I saw the T-28 bomber, and it reminds me of my childhood hero. I want to comment the chairman and his committee member for their vision to rejuvenate the T-28 bomber with the three historical symbols in this welcoming city of Westminster. This certainly will give an opportunity for present and future generation to learn about the U.S. Secret War in Laos, the war that had affected tens of thousands Lao-Hmong and American life in so many ways. In fact, this T-28 will stand tall as a profound symbol to assure an everlasting friendship among the Lao-Hmong SKU and the United States of America. As many of you know, my late father, General Vang Pao, was the chief military commander of Military Region 2 of the National Royal Laos Army. He commanded force Army, Royal, and Lao-Hmong Special Guerrilla Unit, SKU that comprised of strong Laotian multi-ethnic group, primarily Lao, Hmong, Kamu, Lu, Mient, and Thai Dam. This special guerrilla unit is known as the United States Secret Army and the most loyal ally during the U.S. Secret War in Laos from 1961 to 1975. As a consequential result of this secret war, 35,000 SQU Hmong soldier out of Hmong population of 350,000 people, 727 American servicemen, and nearly 100,000 civilians perished within those 15 years of the Secret War. Having a National Lao-Hmong Memorial in this city will be a symbol of our nation forever, honor and memorize this SQU commander and soldier, the American advisor, case officer, serviceman and woman, widow, and the Lao-Hmong people who bravely served during the Secret War from 1961 to 75. Today marks the beginning of the important text and also mark the turning point in the life of our people. I have no doubt that this memorial will eventually stand tall as a symbol to promote and educate the public for many generations to come to better understanding our history and the patriotic fight for freedom. For this reason, I personally call upon the Lao-Hmong people and our American friends across the country to support this vision and project. It is essentially for our collective duty to financially and memorial support this National Lao-Hmong Memorial. I wish my late father, General Vang Pao, is here with us and be the one who delivered this message to you. Unfortunately, he can only be here spiritually. As most of you know, his departure has left us with many tasks to perform and dreams to fulfill. But the one most important task he left us is for all of us to stay united for the betterment and advancement of our present and future generation. Never forget the people who help us, and to never yield our allegiance to the country that provide us freedom and pursued happiness, and that is the United States of America. Collectively, together, my family and I entrust in you and count on all of you to help this memorial project become a reality. Thank you for your attention and time commitment to this event. May God bless America.